Alrighty, this is our Kingsroyal patio door. When opening the door, you're going to hear suction, which is this noise right here. That is normal. On the patio door, we have several different layers of weather stripping. On the operating sash, there's a wool pile on both sides that actually seal to this area right here on the frame of the door. This wool pile goes all the way around the interior perimeter on both sides of the patio door sash. Not only do we have the weather stripping there, we have a bulb gasket on the exterior interlock along with the wool pile. And on the operating sash, we have your bulb gasket right here, which seals to the stationary panel. So when you do open the door, it's normal to hear the suction sound. It's showing you that you have a nice tight seal. So that sound right there is completely normal. All right, to clean the glass on the patio door, to do the interior, you spray your glass cleaner on here, and you can wipe down the surface of the glass on the interior. This is the stationary side. I'll now do the operating side. To clean the outside of the door, you'll just have to open the door and step outside. Now you have access to the exterior surface of the glass. When cleaning the patio door, you have this track right here, which people are coming in and out. You're going to get some debris in there. You can take a shop vac or a vacuum with the hose, dust buster, whatever it may be, and just vacuum this threshold on both sides. Once that's done, you can take some cleaner and just wipe everything down.